Today we are in the historic center of Torino Di Sangro, a small village situated at just 10 minutes drive from the Adriatic coast. And today we are gonna look at this beautiful ancient palazzo dated back probably to the Middle Age. And this palazzo in the last years was restored several times, but this last renovation in around 2015 kept all the characteristic details of an antique palazzo, but with all the modern comforts. And the house is located in the historic center, in the town center of the village. Down there is, around the corner, there is a public parking space and the town center. And there is another public parking space, a big one, situated down here. If you go down here, you can reach a large parking space. And this house has 4 floors, a terrace, and different entrances, so you can obtain more than one habitable unit. This is the main entrance. This is the entrance to the basement floor, a beautiful basement floor. And going up here, you can find another entrance that goes to the first floor. Here we have this beautiful door in wrought iron. Exposed bricks. And this is the main entrance, where we find this landing here. And here we find a bathroom. With a sink and a shower. This door here is just some storage space under the staircase. And here we find a room with beautiful star vaulted ceilings with exposed bricks, a kitchen with a fireplace, here we can see the original wooden beams and the original stone. This is the gas boiler, because as you can see the house has all utilities connected, including central heating system. And proceeding this way, we can reach the first bedroom of the house with vaulted ceilings with exposed bricks. As you can see, the house avails also of air conditioning. And here we have 2 French balconies. From which you can enjoy a mountain view. This is the Gran Sasso. And here, through this staircase, it is possible to reach the basement floor. And this here can be closed to have two separate units. But the basement floor I'm going to show you later. And now we can go upstairs. And here on the first floor we have this small landing used as a laundry space. Also with exposed stone, exposed bricks. And here we have also a full bathroom with shower. Proceeding this way, we find this kitchen area. And here we find this beautiful living room. With barrel ceilings. And a French balcony. With a beautiful view of the sea and the mountains. And here we have the second bedroom of the house. With a window. And this floor has its own independent entrance here. So it could be used as a separate unit. So the ground floor can be used as a separate unit, this floor also. And now we can reach the upper floor, where we find another habitable unit. And here we find another kitchen with vaulted ceilings. And the access to the terrace. This room has also access to the balcony. And here we find the last bedroom of the house. With ensuite bathroom. With a skylight. And a large shower. Now I'm gonna show you the best part of the house. That is the large terrace. And this terrace also shows you the best feature of Abruzzo, that is the possibility to enjoy at the same time a sea view and a full mountain view, Gran Sasso and Maiella Mountain. And here you have the balcony. So this beautiful townhouse is also a great opportunity for an investment and for business purposes, because Torino Di Sangro is conveniently close to the sea. It is just 10 minutes drive, and it is also well connected by buses. It is close to a train station, also 10-15 minutes drive to the closest train station. And now that we are back outside, I can show you the basement floor. So the basement floor has its own entrance from the outside here. As you can see, this is the room with the most character, with a bar corner, dining table, a fully equipped kitchen with air conditioning, and this is the staircase going up to connect this floor to the ground floor in the bedroom. Here we have a stone cellar and also a small toilet serving this floor. So this floor can easily become another habitable unit. And this room has also access to a paved courtyard, perfect for enjoying a meal outside. This garden doesn't belong to the property, it belongs to the municipality. So if you're interested in this property, you can send an email to info@abruzzoruralproperty.com.